In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Emoji Mashup filter on TikTok. Okay, so once you've loaded up TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. That's going to take you to the record page, and then you can see the effects option there at the bottom left. Tap on that, and then you can see underneath the trending, you can see that little man with the two emojis. You want to go ahead and tap on that one, and it shows two emojis at the top, and it's going to scan, and then it's going to scan another time, and then once it's finished scanning, it's going to show you the two images, and you kind of have to pull those two faces. And if you're not finding the filter in the trending section, what you can do is go back, tap on the discover option at the bottom bar, then in the search bar you want to type Emoji Mashup, hit search, and there it says at the top effects and Emoji Mashup. But if you're not finding it there, you can tap on videos, and then you can tap on one of these videos, and then it says Emoji Mashup above the person's username. You can tap on there, and that'll take you to the filter page. You can add it to your favorites, and you can also try it by tapping the camera icon at the bottom, and it will do the same effect. So that is how you get the Emoji Mashup filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.